So, I'm with James.
So James, tagasan ka James?
From Taguig City.
Oh, so James from Taguig City, are you single?
Yes.
So single daw siya guys. Who are you most excited to see right now?
I'm excited to see Dionela.
Si Dionela.
Yeah.
So I guess you know his songs. Are you ready for my next question? Can you guess the top 3 songs of Dionela on Spotify right now?
Marilag.
Marilag. Marilag is number 1.
Sining.
Sining number 2, isa na lang.
Oksina.
Ay, ang galing mo! Nakikinig siya, hindi ko pinakita guys ha. So,
Yes.
nakuha niya, ang galing mo.
Okay.
Nanonood si Jonella right
Yes.
now. Pwede mo siya kantahan, pwede ka magsabi ng message sa kanya. Anong gusto mong sabihin kay Jonella kung nakikinig siya?
Jonela, sana magka-duet tayo someday. Pwede mo ko i-invite ngayon.
So yun, thank you James!
Yes,
Ingat ka!
thank
Sana
you.
hindi ka na single
Thank you.
pagtapos ng video na to.